Hi, in this week's lesson we're going to look at the Cambridge FCE Listening exam, in particular part 2. There are 4 parts to the listening exam and I have a video with advice on each part and a sample question. So I'd advise you to watch the videos in order. So if you haven't watched my video on FCE Listening exam part 1, you can go to the video by clicking the link above now. So let's look at listening part 2 in more detail. In this part of the listening test, you must complete 10 gapped sentences with information that you hear from one speaker. It tests your ability to listen and understand specific information or opinion from a single long speech. The listening may be broadcasts, talks, or classroom presentations. And each correct answer in part 2 receives 1 mark. Remember, the questions follow the order of the information in the audio, and answers will not exceed 3 words in length. The word, number, or phrase required will be heard on the recording and will not need to be changed in any way. And minor spelling errors are not penalised. But you must be clear in what you write. And there are no words above a B2 level. So here are some tips for listening part 2. Remember, you need to get into the habit of reading not only the text in front of the gap, but also the text which follows the gap, which may affect the answer. Remember that the tested items come in the same order as they're heard on the recording. Don't write too much. No answer will need more than 3 words, and that in many cases they will need only 1 or 2 words. Sometimes students write too much, either by including unnecessary detail or by trying to rephrase what they hear on the recording. Irrelevant detail can sometimes spoil what would otherwise have been a correct answer. Remember, don't change what you hear. You write down exactly what you hear. Now I have included a sample listening part 2 test. The answers will be at the end of the test.
Now turn to part 2. You'll hear a student called Duncan Heap talking about his recent trip to Iceland to study seabirds called puffins. For questions 9 to 18, complete the sentences with a word or short phrase. You now have 45 seconds to look at part 2.
Do you like seabirds? If so, you'll love puffins. They spend most of their lives at sea, but last August I was lucky enough to see them up close when I visited the Westman Islands in Iceland where they build their nests. First of all, though, a few facts about puffins. They have a squat black and white body, short wings and a large colourful beak, which I think makes them look really funny on dry land. But puffins are built more to swim underwater than to fly or walk. When you see them swimming, it's an impressive sight. Their wings help them propel themselves through the water. I didn't expect their feet to be used when they were flying, except perhaps just to moderate their speed like brakes. But actually, they use them to alter their direction in the air. In the water, puffins can dive deep, holding their breath for up to 2 minutes to catch fish. When spring comes, puffins can be seen on high cliffs on the Westman Islands making their nests. It's quite a sight, I'm told. I wasn't aware of this, but puffins nest underground rather than on cliff-top ledges as I'd imagined. They dig holes, so their nests are very well protected. Each female puffin lays just one egg in its nest each year, which the pair watches over for 6 weeks, day and night. While they wait, you can hear them underground making noises that might be like talking, loud growling calls, almost like laughter, which some describe as sounding like a cow, and I tend to agree. Young puffins, though, once hatched, sound more like a duck or a goose, peeping for food from their parents. I was told that as winter beckons, their parents leave them behind and fly off to sea, but apparently it's hunger rather than loneliness that makes young puffins fly from their nests. That's something I didn't expect. And this is what I saw when I was there. In the daytime, I watched young puffins diving off the cliffs to gain enough speed for flight as they headed out to sea. At night time, though, which is when most of them fly off, it was a different story. The thing is, puffins instinctively use the stars for navigation, but the lights of a town can fool them and make them head in the wrong direction, so the young puffins end up landing all over the place. Some puffins land on the beaches, where they are easily rescued. Others aren't so lucky. If it's on the roads, cars aren't so much of a problem, as people know to drive extra slowly at this time of year. But gardens present more of a threat. They're dark and there are lurking cats. So I helped the local teenagers, who were allowed to stay out late, and we roamed around the town with cardboard shoeboxes, rescuing young puffins as we went. I even saw one boy putting a young puffin in an upturned umbrella, which made me laugh. They didn't seem to mind being handled, and it's not unusual for a single teenager to catch 10 birds in one evening. After a night spent as guests of their rescuers, with the box as a temporary bed, we carried the young birds down to the beach and threw them up high. It was a really rewarding experience to see them glide towards the sea and freedom. Sometimes the puffins aren't ready for release, if they've been injured or whatever, in which case they get taken to the local museum, which becomes a sort of puffin hotel for a few days each year. You can buy all sorts of puffin souvenirs on the islands. I took some great photographs of the birds, one of which is now the screensaver on my computer. I've got a puffin mouse mat too. That's really cute. A much better souvenir than a puffin t-shirt or baseball cap. That's the sort of thing most people buy. Anyway, before I go on to the migration...
Now you'll hear part 2 again.
Do you like seabirds? If so, you'll love puffins. They spend most of their lives at sea, but last August I was lucky enough to see them up close when I visited the Westman Islands in Iceland, where they build their nests. First of all, though, a few facts about puffins. They have a squat black and white body, short wings and a large colourful beak, which I think makes them look really funny on dry land. But puffins are built more to swim underwater than to fly or walk. When you see them swimming, it's an impressive sight. Their wings help them propel themselves through the water. I didn't expect their feet to be used when they were flying, except perhaps just to moderate their speed like brakes, but actually they use them to alter their direction in the air. In the water, puffins can dive deep, holding their breath for up to 2 minutes to catch fish. When spring comes, puffins can be seen on high cliffs on the Westman Islands making their nests. It's quite a sight, I'm told. I wasn't aware of this, but puffins nest underground rather than on cliff-top ledges as I'd imagined. They dig holes, so their nests are very well protected. Each female puffin lays just one egg in its nest each year, which the pair watches over for 6 weeks, day and night. While they wait, you can hear them underground making noises that might be like talking, loud growling calls, almost like laughter, which some describe as sounding like a cow, and I tend to agree. Young puffins, though, once hatched, sound more like a duck or a goose, peeping for food from their parents. I was told that as winter beckons, their parents leave them behind and fly off to sea, but apparently it's hunger rather than loneliness that makes young puffins fly from their nests. That's something I didn't expect. And this is what I saw when I was there. In the daytime, I watched young puffins diving off the cliffs to gain enough speed for flight as they headed out to sea. At night time, though, which is when most of them fly off, it was a different story. The thing is, puffins instinctively use the stars for navigation, but the lights of a town can fool them and make them head in the wrong direction, so the young puffins end up landing all over the place. Some puffins land on the beaches, where they are easily rescued. Others aren't so lucky. If it's on the roads, cars aren't so much of a problem, as people know to drive extra slowly at this time of year. But gardens present more of a threat. They're dark and there are lurking cats. So I helped the local teenagers, who were allowed to stay out late, and we roamed around the town with cardboard shoeboxes, rescuing young puffins as we went. I even saw one boy putting a young puffin in an upturned umbrella, which made me laugh. They didn't seem to mind being handled, and it's not unusual for a single teenager to catch 10 birds in one evening. After a night spent as guests of their rescuers, with the box as a temporary bed, we carried the young birds down to the beach and threw them up high. It was a really rewarding experience to see them glide towards the sea and freedom. Sometimes the puffins aren't ready for release, if they've been injured or whatever, in which case they get taken to the local museum, which becomes a sort of puffin hotel for a few days each year. You can buy all sorts of puffin souvenirs on the islands. I took some great photographs of the birds, one of which is now the screensaver on my computer. I've got a puffin mouse mat too. That's really cute. A much better souvenir than a puffin t-shirt or baseball cap. That's the sort of thing most people buy. Anyway, before I go on to the migration...
That is the end of part 2.
Okay, so let's see how you did. There are some variations on correct answers, so the words in brackets are acceptable answers too. So 9, funny, 10, feet, 11, holes, 12, cow or a cow, 13, being hungry or hunger rather than loneliness, and 14, stars or the stars, 15, the variety of options, the dark gardens with lurking cats or just gardens, 16, umbrella or upturned umbrella, 17, museum or local museum, 18, puffin mouse mat. I hope you did well, and remember to keep listening to as much English as possible to improve your understanding and therefore your score. So that's it for now. Remember to like this video if you found it useful, share it with your friends and colleagues learning English. They'll thank you for it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below now, so as not to miss out on new English language videos. Click here to watch the next part of the listening exam series, the first certificate series, part 3. Bye-bye and thank you for watching.